So, you have started building chatbots, either for clients or for yourself. And it is going good. You are building great chatbots, but you feel like something is missing. And if that is you, I highly encourage you to watch this video until the end. Because today I'm going to show you what is missing. The sauce of building great chatbots. I'm talking about the automations, and I'm going to show you that completely for free. And all of this using make.com. Let's get into it. So for this build, you're going to need to have two windows open, one with your Botpress and the other one with your make. So here we have our make.com and we have my Botpress studio here. So to start things off, we're going to want to create a lead gen chatbot, because I'm going to use a lead gen bot, which I will automate using Google Sheets actually. So firstly, I'm just going to delete all this stuff here. So yeah, that was fast. And now I'm going to start off by creating my bot. So first I'm going to select a node, and this is going to be a really simple lead gen bot. So the first one is going to be name. So this chatbot is going to collect different variables, and the first one is going to be name, and then email address, and then phone number. So I'm going to add a card, and you can build this bot exactly how you want, but this is just how I'm going to do for the sake of this video. If you need tips or help to build lead gen bot, I have a video on that on my channel, so check that out. But I'm going to start off by using a capture name card. So here in capture information we have a lot of different options, but I'm going to choose the person name. And I'm going to type here, hello and welcome. To proceed with our lead gen chatbot, you are first going to tell us your name. What is your name? And then store result in, and we will create a variable called full name. So I'm going to change this, what is your full name, and I also have to select this variable full name. So yeah, there we have our name card, which is the first variable. I'm going to add an expression, set on always true, and then create a new node where we will ask for the email address. Connect these two. Connect these two. This is not working, by the way. Or this is working, but this is just a bug. It happened before. But now I'm going to choose the email address option and ask the user, great, what is your email address? And create a variable called user email. Add an expression and add a new card where I will ask for phone, and here a phone number, and I will ask, great, one last thing, what is your phone number? Create a new variable called phone number. Boop. Great, so there we have it. So now our question nodes are complete, and now we're going to write a code to make, so that we're going to write a code where we tell the chatbot to utilize a webhook to send these three variables to make.com. I will be right back. So I'm going to name this. I'm not going to name that node because I have no idea what to name it right now. But I'm going to select an execute code card. Select execute code card. And inside of the code, I'm going to ask the Botpress AI. You can copy me if you want to, but I'm going to write a post address to a webhook URL that includes the variables full name, email, and phone number. What is happening? And phone number. I'm going to hit enter, and you can see that Botpress AI generates code. So here we have our code, and this is fully functioning. I'm going to accept the changes, and now I'm going to see here user email, phone number, full name. So this is my variables, and I'm also going just to add a text card at front that says great, thank you for filling out that information, and select an expression which goes to the end. So now we have our bot planned out, and we're going to head over to make.com. So when you have created your make account, you are here in your organization, and you can press here on scenarios, and you can create a new scenario, and here you can select which apps you're going to use. So if you press the plus here, and now we're going to create a trigger, which is basically when something has happened in the chatbot, this is going to trigger the automation. And we're going to use a webhook. So here at the bottom you can see search for applications, and I'm going to type in webhook. So if you use Zapier, by the way, and you want to use webhooks, you have to pay the premium option to use webhooks inside of Zapier. But here with make.com, it's completely free to utilize webhooks, which is great. So press here on webhook, and we want to add a custom webhook. So when we're here, we're going to press add and name this my Botpress webhook, and press save. And as you can see here, you don't have to worry about this. You can just press here, copy address to clipboard. So this is the webhook address. So now I've pressed here, so I've copied the address. So I'm going to go over to Botpress again and come over to this code. And as you can see here is my webhook. So I'm just going to highlight this, delete, and paste in my new webhook, and save and go out. So as you can see, my new webhook is here. So when it hits the execute code, it's going to be sent to the webhook, which is going to go to make. So I press OK. And now we're going to add another module. And we don't want webhooks, we want Google Sheets. Google Sheets. Select this. But for us to be able to add a row. But for us to be able to use Google Sheets, we have to first create a spreadsheet. So I'm just going to do that, and I will be right back. So here I have my spreadsheet. Here I'm going to add the variable which I'm going to put in. So I'm going to name this full name. Here I'm going to add email address and phone number. So now we have our spreadsheet. So now we're just going to go to make again. So inside of make, we have to press here spreadsheet ID, and here we have to select our spreadsheet. So I have mine under YouTube, and then I will have make automations, and this is my spreadsheet. And here we have to select our sheet name, and I'm going to choose Blad 1, Swedish for page 1. and table contains headers, you're going to have to put that on yes. What we have to do now is we have to press run once here to create values to go inside of our webhook, which we then can store inside of our Google Sheet. So if we press run once and we go to our Botpress Studio and we go to the emulator, I'm just going to move myself, and we go into the emulator and start a conversation. Hi, my name is Michael Jordan, so I feel like MJ today. And my email address is michael@jordan.21. Just kidding, .com. And my phone number is 2311231123. So as you can see here, transitioned and the code was executed. So now we can go into make and see if this bot is actually working. So inside of make you can see that this is green. So that means that we have data structures finalized. So if we press here and now go to full name, you can see that we have options to put in here. So I want to select the first name and add a space in between and then last name, and at email address I want to add the email, and here I want to add phone number and select OK. So now we can hit save here and press on this button to turn the bot on, and now we can see if the values are going to be stored inside of our Google Sheet. So back into Botpress once again, start a new conversation. Once again, my name is Michael Jordan and my email is michael@jordan.com, and I forgot my phone number, but 2311231123 I think. So the code was executed, and now the moment of truth. Will we have finished the chatbot? Go into Google Sheets, and you can see here that we have Michael Michael@jordan.gmail, michael@jordan.com, and 2311231123. So yeah, there we have it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out a ton. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment what you want to see in future videos, and join my Discord server, link in the pinned comment. I will see you guys next Sunday, and peace.